To get started, install Node.js on your computer. Then install TypeScript globally by running npm install in the terminal. After that, create a file ending in .ts. Variables in TypeScript are declared with let, followed by a name, colon, type, and value. One interesting variable type is any. This allows a variable to hold a value of any kind, bypassing the strict type checking. However, using any can lead to unexpected runtime errors. Since TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript, it has if statements, for and while loops, functions, arrays, objects, classes, and many more. TypeScript also introduces powerful concepts like interfaces for object structures, generics for reusable code, and union types for multiple value types. After running your code, open the terminal and compile by running tsc, and then run it using Node. Thanks for watching, and follow for more.